Well, it's a funny type of flour. It hasn't raised, but it's warm, and I'm going to bring it down so you can see it. It's warm, so I'm still going to work with it and see how it goes. I'm going to put it on the tray. It's very delicate. I still want to see. I've still got high hopes for it. I'm not going to all trial and error, all live, trial and error live. So not only just work with what we've got and experiment. Gonna let it sit for another hour, and then I'm going to put it in the oven. So it might not raise again. I hope it doesn't break. And I'm going to add some zucchini that I cooked up in the oven, sliced them up with some virgin olive oil and salt, pepper. Sit for another hour on the stove with all these goodies. See if it might raise a little bit more. I think it's the chickpea flour, it's the heaviness of it. Perfect. And I had some prawns with shallots, and I put some parsley on it, and I just cut them in half, and I just fried them blanched them very lightly. So zucchini and prawns do work very well together. I'll leave it on the stove, it's nice and warm. I've got a few things cooking in the oven, so that'll just make it stay warm. I'm just going to put a cloth over it. Where's my cloth? And put greaseproof paper on top and the cloth over it. And I'm going to just leave it on the bench for another hour, and then I'll put it in the oven.